Something big is changing inside the stadium right now, and you can literally see the project shifting into a new phase. Some areas are suddenly moving faster than expected, while others are starting to take a completely different shape than before. And today, we're going to break down exactly what's really happening on site right now. In the south goal side, compression ring continues making very strong progress. More pillars and radial beams are now installed, and the structure is getting closer to the central section of the stadium. One of the biggest developments is the removal of several temporary supports between completed sections, showing that the installed structure is already stable enough to continue advancing faster. Large amounts of phalanges and structural materials are also prepared nearby, ready for the next assembly stages. At the current construction pace, the compression ring could realistically be completed by the end of August. The first major section has progressed consistently, and now that support structures are being reused more efficiently, installation speed could increase even more during the coming months. Workers are now moving materials much faster between sectors, which is helping the entire process advance more smoothly across the upper structure. If work continues at this rhythm, the entire ring should be visible around the beginning of the new season. The decorative facade installation is also moving forward in the south goal sector. More vertical lamas are now being installed, and several of them already include integrated LED lighting systems. The first illuminated sections are becoming clearly visible from outside the stadium, giving a better preview of the future nighttime appearance. Additional decorative pieces are also stored around the site, showing that facade work will continue accelerating in the next days. The overall exterior is now starting to look much more modern as more illuminated sections appear around the stadium facade. The third stand continues taking shape as more concrete stair sections and seating platforms become visible. Several areas already look close to completion once the temporary formwork is removed. Construction activity remains constant across different levels of the upper tier, with crews continuing structural and finishing works at the same time. From elevated viewpoints around the stadium, the scale of the new upper tier is becoming increasingly impressive, and the overall structure now looks much more advanced than in previous weeks. Another major development is happening right now in the south goal sector, where decorative llama installation has now expanded into a new section of the facade. Construction crews have officially started placing the first vertical llamas in this newly activated area, marking another important step in the exterior transformation of the stadium. Additional support systems and alignment structures are also visible behind the facade, showing how quickly this sector is evolving. A massive quantity of structural material is currently stored around the stadium site. Large pillars, radial beams, and phalanges are already prepared for future installation phases. More components continue arriving every week as crews organize the next stages of the compression ring assembly. Construction crews are also cleaning several pieces before assembly, using pressure washing systems to remove dust and prepare the components for final placement on the compression ring structure. Work continues moving forward inside the second cantilever level, where crews remain active across multiple structural sections. Workers are continuing interior construction around the mobility core areas, while additional block walls and enclosed spaces are becoming more advanced. Elevated platforms and scaffolding remain active throughout the entire level as different construction teams continue working simultaneously across several sectors. Scaffolding and elevated platforms remain visible throughout the sector as teams continue preparing the internal stadium structure for the next phases. Activity also remains steady across the first cantilever level. Several workers were seen operating from elevated platforms while welding and structural adjustment works continue around the lower steel framework. More reinforcement work is also visible around several interior sections as crews continue strengthening the overall structure of the stadium. Different sections of the cantilever are still being reinforced and prepared as construction progresses across the interior side of the stadium. The south goal sector is now almost fully prepared for the installation of the decorative llamas. Anchors and support systems have already been aligned, while multiple llama components and structural pieces remain stored nearby waiting for installation. More facade support structures are also appearing around the sector as crews continue preparing the area for large-scale installation works. Additional facade supports are also visible around the area, showing that this sector is getting closer to entering the next major installation phase. Strong activity has returned to the diamond structure area, where crews were seen installing reinforcement bars across the upper sections. Structural preparation works continue progressing steadily, with workers focusing on strengthening and completing the upper framework. Additional steel components are also visible around the surrounding areas as preparation work continues expanding through the sector. This area is once again becoming one of the active construction points around the stadium. In the North Gol sector, workers continue advancing with the facade support structure installations. Multiple crews were seen tightening anchors, adjusting support elements, and painting steel beam sections behind the lama support system. More support structures are now visible across different levels of the facade, showing clear progress in this part of the stadium exterior. Several support sections have already been completed across the upper and middle levels, while more structural components remain prepared for installation in the coming days. Although the club initially hoped to open parts of the stadium earlier, several important works are still pending, especially waterproofing, interior systems, and occupation permits. Large interior finishing phases also remain unfinished in several important sectors of the stadium, meaning construction activity will continue heavily throughout the coming months. Because of this, a more realistic prediction is that some sections of the stadium could require additional time before becoming fully operational. A full 360-degree solar panel installation is planned across the entire roof structure. Every section of the roof will be equipped with photovoltaic panels designed to capture sunlight throughout the day. The generated energy will be stored and distributed through the stadium's internal power systems, supporting both daytime and nighttime operations. This system is set to supply electricity for lighting, LED facade elements, and core stadium infrastructure, making the venue largely energy self-sufficient once operational. We've now moved to the final corner of the site where the activity continues with steady movement. Several workers are active on different platforms, some focused on painting while others handle structural tasks. In this area, the supporting beams for the future panels are already in place, although the actual installation has not started yet. Overall, the section shows ongoing preparation work with no major visible changes compared to earlier updates. The stadium continues to show strong and consistent progress across all major sections. The diamond structures are becoming more defined with active reinforcement and concrete work, while the VIP ring interiors are steadily transforming into fully structured spaces with ongoing finishing works. At the same time, the future sustainability systems are also taking shape, highlighting the stadium's focus on efficiency, energy saving, and modern infrastructure. Overall, every part of the project is moving forward in parallel, bringing the stadium closer to its final world-class form with each passing update.